Hello and welcome to Thirsk. Well, there's not really a whole lot of stuff here, but hopefully we're going to see some fast trains, and hopefully this bridge and bush doesn't block the path too much. Maybe we can sneak down here in a minute and you can see all the way down. Anyway, we got about 10 minutes to the next train, so I'll catch you when it comes. Right now we have a LNER from Edinburgh down to London King's Cross. It should be a 801 2222. Hopefully passing. It's going to be a TPE on its way up to Newcastle from Liverpool Lime Street. One of our 802s. Now about to pass, we have a cross-country Voyager with a service from Edinburgh Waverley down to Plymouth with 221123. Passing will be 802219 with a service from Newcastle down to Liverpool Lime Street. Two trains passing at the same time, which is a bit annoying, but we have a 801, I think it is, with a service down to London King's Cross from Edinburgh Waverley, and straight afterwards we're going to have a freight train with petroleum products, and yeah, I'll tell you where that's going hopefully in a second. Way past is going to be a freight train. I believe it's Calalas Rail from where have I forgotten, but it's going to Lindsay Oil Refinery, and it's going to be ran by one of their class 70s. Hopefully you get the number in a second. $78.13. Some very old and rusty looking EWS tankers. To be passing through here, this lovely tunnel here, is going to be a LNER Zoomer from London King's Cross to Middlesbrough, and it's a 800-209, but this should be going very slow, so we should get the number anyway. Uh, 800-209. Is a service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. But we have a DB Cargo 66 from Knowsley Freight Terminal to, where was it? Wilton Freight Terminal. And this it could be waste or it could be container wagons, but we'll find out in a minute. It looks like waste from here. And today is going to be ran by 66652. This is a first, but as our train rolls in, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video at Thirsk.
Zones 3 to 6.
Anyway,
cycle spaces.
bye guys.
Zones.
One 185-148, and now we're actually getting the special livery one on the back, which I've wanted to see for ages actually, with 185-111. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you later.